take as we look at this user interface. Now let's look at the second piece of the puzzle here, which is a user interface to what? In fact, there can be a user interface can be to as many different things, as many different machines as possible. In this case, we're interacting with at least 3 distinct things. On the top row here are the controls that allow us to interact with the operating system. This thing that says minimize the window, this thing that says restore down, and this thing that says close, these are all issuing commands. This is a user interface to the Windows operating system. So right up here, I'm talking to the Windows operating system. The next area down here, these 2 bars right here, are interacting with the browser. So when I do something, when I interact in this area right here, I'm talking to the web browser, in this case, Internet Explorer. When I'm down here, in this area, which in browser land is called the client area, I'm interacting with Facebook. Now, Facebook, for example, in this area right here, might say, okay, whatever this is, pro-nutrients, I'm going to give you this little area, and when the user interacts with this area, they're actually interacting with pronutrient.com instead of with facebook.com. Now, I don't think Facebook does that, but the point is that I could be interacting with many different applications, many different systems simultaneously on the same screen. So the first big point to understand here is that this screen interacts with at least 1, 2, 3 different systems. Here I'm interacting with the operating system, here I'm interacting with the browser system, and here I'm interacting with the Facebook organization. And the controls that I have are allowing me to do different things with those different systems. Here I'm allowing control of this window using the Windows operating system. Here I'm allowing control basically of this area down here, this client area, using the web browser. Here I'm allowing control of the Facebook user interface, the Facebook user experience. Okay, so that's big point, that this one screen is interacting with various things, and I want you to pay attention to that, and I want you to think when you click on something, when you interact with something, exactly who are you interacting with?